you were not on board 001.
Through President Duterte's diplomacy and his strategy, we got assurances by everyone that that walang magkle-claim, walang makikialam, and it's safe. So sinabihan nga tayo, put your Navy and military elsewhere, no, because you're safe there. And that's important. Kung hindi, will be spread so thin. No?
Apo.
Kung meron kang peace and stability sa region, everyone nakikinabang. Kikinabang Japan, nakikinabang China, nakikinabang US, Canada, tayo. No? Kung aawayin natin lahat ng neighbors natin na meron tayong dispute, no? Tayo lang maiiwanan sa buong region. So let me not go into the details, di ba? How we'll get there, what we'll do there, ganyan. But let me tell you this, no? Walang masasayang sa past efforts. Sa lahat ng past efforts, from President Marcos and even before to President Aquinos, wala tayong sasayangin. So ibig sabihin, bawat bala na binigay sa atin na pabor sa Pilipinas, nandyan yan. Sabi nga lang ni Presidente, give him the option kung kailan niya ilalabas, kailan niya gagamitin. And we will follow the President.
Apo.